Are you looking for the best commercial garment steamers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best commercial garment steamers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. SALAV X3A Heavy Duty Commercial Full-Size Garment Steamer. The SALAV X3A Heavy Duty Commercial Full-Size Garment Steamer is perfect for heavy-duty professional and home use. With 1,800 watts of continuous steam, it can soften and straighten wrinkles on any fabric. The removable 3-liter water tank provides over 90 minutes of continuous steam, and the wide bar support frame, power pedal control, and multifunctional hanger make it easy to safely smooth clothes, drapes, and upholstery. Additionally, it has rolling wheels and a telescopic aluminum support bar for easy storage. What we like: long-lasting 90+ minutes of continuous steam. Multifunctional hanger for easy steaming of clothes, drapes, and upholstery. Powerful 1,800 watts of continuous steam for effective wrinkle removal. Removable 3-liter water tank for easy refilling. Rolling wheels and telescopic aluminum support bar for easy storage. Number 2. ADVWIN 2000W Garment Steamer. The ADVWIN Garment Steamer offers versatility and efficiency for all your steaming needs. With 10 adjustable steam levels, you can easily tailor the intensity to suit various fabrics, ensuring optimal results without damaging your clothes. Its powerful 2000W design heats up in just 30 seconds, providing a robust steam output to tackle stubborn wrinkles quickly. The large 2.7L removable water tank allows for 90 minutes of continuous steaming, minimizing the time spent refilling. Plus, the adjustable height dual rod design ensures stability and comfort, making it suitable for both standing and sitting use. What we like: 10 adjustable steam levels. Quick 30-second heat up. 90 minutes of continuous steam. Stable adjustable height. Number 3. True and Tidy Pro Commercial Garment Steamer. The True and Tidy Garment Steamer is perfect for both home and commercial use. Its large 2.9-liter water tank provides continuous steam for over 90 minutes, allowing you to tackle multiple garments without constant refills. You can effortlessly remove wrinkles from clothes, curtains, and upholstery using the multifunctional hanger that securely holds items in place while you steam. The sturdy design includes a spacious support frame and a detachable water tank, making it easy to use and store. With a powerful 1,800-watt output, this steamer quickly eliminates wrinkles from various fabrics, giving you smooth, fresh-looking results every time. What we like: large water tank. Long steam duration. Easy garment handling. Powerful steam output. Number 4. True and Tidy Commercial Clothes Steamer. The True and Tidy Steamer is designed for both commercial and home use, making it easy for you to tackle wrinkles in various settings. With its large 2.9-liter water tank, you can enjoy over 90 minutes of continuous steam, allowing you to steam multiple garments without frequent refills. This steamer also features a versatile hanger that holds different types of clothing securely, so you can achieve wrinkle-free results effortlessly. Plus, it comes with wheels for convenient mobility, and its telescopic support bar retracts for simple storage when not in use. What we like: commercial and residential use. Long steam time. Versatile multifunctional hanger. Easy mobility. Number 5. Anthter 1500W Standing Garment Steamer. The Anthter Garment Steamer is a powerful tool designed to help you quickly eliminate wrinkles from various fabrics. With its efficient 1500W heating element, it heats up in just 35 seconds and provides up to 90 minutes of continuous steam, making it perfect for last-minute touch-ups. The innovative electronic pump system prevents any water leakage, ensuring your clothes stay safe from stains. This steamer is also adjustable in height and easy to move, giving you flexibility while you work. Plus, it features a dual safety system that automatically shuts off when it gets too hot or runs low on water, ensuring safe usage. What we like: fast heat-up time. Leak-proof design. Suitable for all fabrics. Long continuous steaming. Safe auto shut-off.